Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good. Good yourself?
I'm very well. Thank you so very much. Anyway, let me introduce myself. My name's Chris, and today I will be your speaking assessor for the Anglia Pre-Intermediate, that's to say A2 plus level test. Okay? Very good indeed. Now, Noah, what is your full name, please?
Noah Liam Kunz Blanco.
Thank you very much. And can I check your ID card, please? Thank you so very much. There you go. You can put it away. Thank you very much. Now, Noah, just for your information, your candidate number is 5372. Okay? Thank you so very much. And Milo, what is your full name now?
Milo Ian Kunz Blanco.
Thank you so very much. And Milo, could I check your ID card, please? Thank you very much. There you go. Thank you very much. You can put those two away. Thank you. Now, Milo, for your information, your candidate number is 5326. Okay? But you don't need to remember any of that. Very good indeed. Excellent. So let's get cracking now, shall we? Very good. So now, do you have a big family?
Yes.
So how big is your family?
A family of 4.
Can you tell me who they are?
My dad, my mom, and my brother.
And is your brother younger or older than you?
We're twins, but he's older by 2 minutes.
Oh, and how old are you two?
10.
Okay, and what activities do you and your brother do together?
Playing video games or football?
Okay, and which one is your favorite free time activity?
Playing video games.
Why do you like it so much?
Because I think it's fascinating and it makes me happy playing it.
I bet it does. And how often do you play video games?
1 hour or 2 hours a day.
Every day?
No.
So, when you say no, not every day, how many times a week do you play video games? Honestly.
On weekends.
Only on weekends. Look at that.
And on Friday.
Okay, and do you have a favorite video game?
No.
Okay. And you and yourself and your family, including your brother, what activity you do as a family together?
Taking photos or going on walks.
Okay, and where do you go on walks?
By the beach sometimes or on the street.
Oh, I can imagine you do. Okay, and I'm sure you have a great time together. Thank you so very much. Milo, where do you live?
I live in Almeria.
Okay, and which country is that in?
In Spain.
Okay, and do you like living in the place you live?
Yes.
What do you like about the place you live in?
I like it because there's a lot of space to play games outside. It's very peacefully and there's no a lot of noise.
Okay, and do you live near the beach?
Yes.
Okay, and do you ever go to the beach?
Yes, sometimes.
And what do you do at the beach?
At the beach, I go to the sea. I swim a bit, then I just play with my ball, or
Or?
or I just sometimes see my telephone.
Okay, I bet you do. And tell me about the place itself where you live. Do you live in a house or in a flat?
I live in a house.
Okay, can you tell me or can you tell us about your house?
My house is kind of big. It has a lot of rooms, and it has two backyards.
Okay, and do you like one of those backyards more than the other one?
Yes.
And which one do you like more and why?
The bigger one.
And why do you like the bigger one more than the smaller one?
Because it has more space, and it's because it has a jacuzzi in it.
Okay, and what did you do last weekend, remember? Today's Monday, this past Sunday and Saturday, what did you do? Yeah, of course.
I don't remember them.
Noah, can you help your brother remember what you as a family did this past weekend?
Visit our cousins
Okay.
and our grandma.
Okay, so you visited your cousins and your grandma. And did you do anything else that you remember now, Milo?
I think I do. I think on Monday,
I'm talking about the weekend, remember?
the last weekend.
This past weekend, Saturday and or Sunday.
Yeah, and Sunday, I think on Sunday or Saturday, I went to my grandma's to sleep there.
Okay, okay. Thank you so very much. Let's now move on to part 2, shall we? Very, very good indeed. Okay, now, you have brought 2 pictures about the hobbies you like. Milo, I'll start off with you this time, okay? Now, tell us about this picture. What does this picture show?
It shows 2 people. It shows 2 people playing a football game.
Okay, so which hobby is this one? Which free time activity is this
Football. Gaming.
one? Okay, and why did you particularly choose this picture?
Because I love gaming very much that I play it sometimes.
Okay, and have you got a favorite video game?
Yes.
Which one is it?
It's a game called Star Wars.
And how do you play it? What must you do in the game?
You need to grab a controller and you grab it and you need to fight people and you need to fight, and when you fight a lot of people you can change your armor and all that stuff, and when you're done changing your armor you could win or you could get defeated.
In general, do you win or do you lose, or do you sometimes win and do you sometimes lose? What
I
happens?
usually win, but sometimes I lose
Okay, and when you lose, what happens? Why do you lose?
because I didn't play good, or it's just I didn't notice.
I see, okay. And do you play together? Do you play with anyone?
Yeah, sometimes my brother.
Okay, and who's better? Is it you or your brother?
Me.
And why are you better than your brother? Then I'll ask him his opinion.
Okay. For me, I'm kind of better because I know more things than him because I study more, kinda, and I like the game so much that I follow it very much.
Okay, now I'll show you another picture that also shows a free time activity. Which one is this free time activity, Milo?
Cooking.
Okay, and do you like cooking?
Yeah, but I don't do it.
But can you cook?
No.
So you can't cook a thing.
No, but I can put it in the microwave.
What do you usually put in the microwave yourself?
Sometimes food that my parents say to me.
Okay, and where is this lady in the picture?
Cooking.
Okay.
In the
Now,
kitchen.
okay, what are some of the things which are similar between these 2 situations? So to play video games, you need to do this, which is similar to what you need to do when you cook. Anything that is similar?
Yeah. There could be games that you need to buy it, and that is cooking. You put it, and then you need to cook things.
Okay, absolutely.
Food.
And what's very, very different between cooking and playing video games?
Cooking, that you just grab food and you cook with it, and gaming is just you grab a controller and you play your games.
So you still grab things but different things?
Yes.
Thank you so very much. Noah, over to you now. Now, in your picture, what can you see? Which free time activity can you see?
Painting.
Okay, and why did you choose that picture?
Because I really like painting and drawing.
And what do you like painting and what do you like drawing?
I like drawing mountains and painting whatever.
Okay, and when do you normally paint and draw?
When I'm not watching TV or playing video games.
Okay, and what things do you use to paint with?
To paint or to draw?
To paint and to draw.
To draw, you can use a pencil or a pen. And then to paint, you have to use different type of paintbrushes.
Okay, did anyone ever teach you how to paint and or how to draw?
No.
So did you learn by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, and would you like to become a professional artist?
No.
Why not?
Because I wouldn't feel like making drawing or making a painting every single day.
I understand it. And when you paint and when you draw, how does it make you feel?
Happy.
Okay, absolutely. Where about in your house do you paint and do you draw?
Usually on a table
in the salon or in the kitchen.
Okay, wonderful. Now, between these two pictures, painting and drawing and cooking, what are some of the things which are very, very, very different in both situations?
That when you're cooking, you use a pan, and when you're painting, you use brushes
Okay, and
or a canvas.
any similarities between both activities?
That they're both actions.
Okay, absolutely. And if you couldn't draw or you couldn't paint, which one would be your second favorite free time activity?
Either playing video games or hiking.
Okay, hiking. Okay, on the topic of hiking. So here we have a hiking picture. Now, do you usually go hiking? You said you do, didn't you?
Yes, with my family.
And do you usually go hiking in the mountains?
No.
No, where do you go hiking?
I don't know. In parks.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
And what clothes do you wear when you and your family, do you all wear when you and your family go hiking?
If it's summer, we wear summer clothes. But if it's spring if it's winter, then winter clothes.
I can imagine you do. And Milo, is hiking an activity you like doing?
No.
Why not?
It's just for me. I mean, it looks fun, but the only thing is that one time you could get very tired and you can't walk more.
I see. And what do you think people need to do in order to prepare themselves before they go hiking, they go trekking?
They
in
should
the
grab
mountains?
water
Okay.
and different accessories that they can put on, and they should get like different things like sunscreen if it's very sunny outside, and that's really it. I don't know.
Okay. And Milo, if you couldn't choose video gaming, which second activity would you choose to do in your free time as your favorite one?
I would play football or play Legos.
Okay, thank you so very much. Now guys, for the third and last part of the test, you'll have to interview each other. Noah, I'll start off with you. So you'll answer the questions that Milo will ask you, okay?
Okay.
So, Milo, let's talk about, Noah, let's talk about your favorite, or one of your favorite films or movies, okay? Milo, can you ask Noah about that movie that he really likes, or that he really liked when he saw it?
What's your favorite movie?
Probably either The Simpsons or some Star Wars movies.
Okay.
Why?
Because I think it's pretty enjoying to watch and interesting.
Why do you like it watching it?
Because I think it's interesting and enjoying to watch.
Okay, and talking about The Simpsons, did you actually watch a movie about The Simpsons, or do you usually watch the series?
Usually the series, but there is other short films about it.
Oh, really? Okay, and when did you last watch one of the Simpsons films?
I don't remember.
But a long time ago, or?
Yes, probably.
Okay, and did you watch it alone, or did you watch it with anyone else?
Sometimes alone and sometimes with my brother.
And did you watch it in English or in Spanish?
In English.
Why did you choose to watch it in English and not in Spanish?
So I can learn more the pronunciation and verbs and actions.
Okay, thank you so very much. Now, Milo, you will get to talk and to answer questions about the seasons. Okay, so now can you ask Milo questions about the seasons like spring, summer, autumn, winter?
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Okay. What do you like to do in winter?
In winter, if there's snow, I would like to go outside with my parents and walk around with, and sometimes touch snow.
And what's your second favorite season?
My second favorite season is summer.
And what do you like to do in summer?
In summer, I like to play outside with my friends, or just stay inside in my home playing video games with the California. How do you say it?
So you like staying indoors, playing video games with your friends when the air conditioning is
Yes.
on. Is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, and I've got a question for you. And what kind of clothes do you like wearing in the summertime?
In the summer, I like. Usually, I use football clothes, but sometimes I use normal clothes.
And
Yeah.
what do you
No,
mean by
actually-
normal clothes?
Like normal, like clothes that like everyone uses, like normal clothes that everybody kind of uses and stuff.
Okay, and when you don't have school, when you're on holiday, when you don't have school, what activities besides playing video games do you like doing in the summertime?
I would like to play football with my brother because in my house in North Maria, if you walk around to the end side, you see like a little football pitch that you can play football.
Okay. Okay, guys, I think we should call it a day. Thank you so very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Bye-bye then.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.